Hi children, today let us learn about part 3 of chapter 6, fun with given and take. Okay, let's see the questions. Which type of questions? With story problems. Let's see the story problems of page number 90. We have our midday meal in 20 minutes and play for 50 minutes. Okay, let's write a story question. The students of a class take 20 minutes to take their midday meals and after the play for 15 minutes. How much time they need for both activities? How much time do they need for both activities? Okay children, next question. Next story. The post office is 1 kilometer from Shahin's home and 2 kilometers from his school. Okay, let's write question. The post office is 1 kilometer from Shahin's home and 2 kilometers from his school. If the post office is located in between school and home, then the total distance between Shahid's home and his school. Okay, next. Bunty has read 27 books and Bubbly has read 34 books. Bunty has read 27 books and Bubbly has read 34 books. Who has read more books and by how much? Okay, these are the story problems. Next, let's see page number 91. Count to subtract. Dolma brought 4 dozen bananas. 4 dozen means 1 dozen make how many bananas? 12 bananas. So 12 into 4. 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4. 48. 48 bananas and gave one to each of her friends. 13 bananas were left. So how many friends got a banana? So let's see. 48 minus 13. As you know, this can be found by counting forward from 13. It is easier to count the jumps of 10. So you can also use Kittu's home show on page number 29 to solve these problems. Okay, let's see. 48 minus 13. 13, 23, after numbers 13, 23, 33, 43, 48. So difference is how much? 10. 13 to 23, how much difference is there? 10. 23, 33, 10. 33, 43, 10. And 43, 48, how much difference? 5 difference. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Answer is 35. So when we will take means when we will subtract 40 minus, we just take away 13. So 8 we will take 3. How many ones are there? 5 ones. In 4 tens we will take 1 10. How many tens are there? 3 tens. Answer is 35. Next, see the next question. 56 minus 37. So 37, 47, 57. So here they are giving 56. So we will subtract here 56. So how much difference is there? 1. So 10 plus 10 minus 1. 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. So when we will subtract 56 minus 37. So in 6 ones we don't take away 7. So let's take 110. So 16 is there. In 16 take away 7. How much is there? 9. Then here 4 tens are there. In 4 tens 3 tens take away 1. So answer is 19. Let's check this both answers. 19 only. And next sum. So 45. 60 minus 45. 45, 50, 60. 45 to 50, how much difference is there? 5. 50 to 60, 10. So 5 plus 10, 15. 60 minus 45. 5. Sorry. In 10 we will take 5. 5. Already here we will take 110. So 5 tens are there. In 5 tens, 4 tens we take away 110. So 15. Answer is 15. Next here. 80 minus 59. 59, 60, 70, 80. So in 59 to 60, how much difference is there? Only 1. So 60 minus 70, 10. 70 minus 80, 10. So 1 plus 10 plus 10. 21. 80 minus 59. In 10 we will take 9. 1. Already we will take 110. 7 tens are there. In 7 tens, 5 tens we will take away. So 2. 21. Answer is 21. Here they are given some other sums. You just do this D, E, F, G. Okay, children. Next one. All the king's horses. All the king's horses. Once there was a king who could count only up to 9. Up to what number can you count? Let's see. The king loved horses. The king loved horses. But he could not never count all of them. So he kept them in such a way, like this. So that he needed to count only up to 9 from each side. Up to 9 from each side. So how many horses in all did the kings have? Let's see. How many horses? 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. So how many horses are there? 24. Next. One day a visitor with 4 horses. Visitor have how many horses? 4. Came there. It was getting dark, so he wanted to stay there at night. But the horses keeper was scared. Why? If the king saw these extra horses, he would be very angry. The visitor said, Don't worry, the king will never know. So he arranged the horses like this. Okay, you just see. King know this pattern only. 9, 9, 9, 9. So the visitor also arranged like this. Okay. How many horses are there? 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 2, 23, 23 plus 5, 28. Already the kings have how many horses? 24. So now visitor, how many horses arranged here? 4 extra. So total how many horses are there? 28. At night the king came to count the horses. Along each side he counted 9 horses. Along each side he counted 9 horses. That's fine, he said. Then he happily went to sleep. In the morning, the clever visitor tried another trick. He took out his 4 horses, his own 4 horses, but he also ran away with some of the king's horses also. He left the king's horses standing in this away. So here you just count now. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 plus 4 16. So now again let's count. 5, 9, 10, 14, 15, 20. So the silly king did not find any horse missing. Can you help him? So how many horses are there? 20. How many of king's horses were taken away? 4. So the king have total 24 horses. Then the visitor come, visitor have own 4 horses. They arranged in king's horses like this. After that, how many horses are there? 28. When visitor will go, in that time he took out of his own four horses and also king's horses also. Now the horses are how many? How many horses are now left? 20. How many of the king's horses were taken away? 4. Okay children, this is the chapter 6, fun with give and take. Thank you.